I just started recording. Now everybody put in the comments GG. I was start to record. My God. Hospital. This. Beach resort. Hotel. Look at this. 2 little siblings. 2 little siblings. Everybody comment siblings. Like so crazy, but it's my brother. Yeah. We always get innocent.
Oh, yeah, I don't trust anyone.
Ito.
Bro, this is the elevator. Right. This is not even an elevator. Somebody already shooting. There's a murder going on already. Yeah, it's upstairs. It's right here.
Where?
Not in here.
I'm behind the box.
Upstairs.
You see that?
Oh,
What? That's kind of.
oh my god, this is so. Oh my god, it's so sad.
Anybody can be the murderer. Oh, me. I
No,
see that.
that's just a ball.
See the murder? Yeah.
Downstairs.
No, it's not. It's upstairs.
In the second floor.
No, it's at the 3rd floor.
It's at the first. Somebody died at the first. Yes, they're sneaking up here.
That ordinary trick.
What are they?
Maybe at the 3rd floor.
Oh, somebody died right here.
What?
Where is?
You didn't saw that.
The girl was actually a murderer.
You didn't saw that. Look her.
Where's the gun? At the
Look her.
3rd floor.
If you give it to me.
Where is it? Where's the murderer?
Bottom.
He's hiding.
Second. Oh, there, first. She's going to the 2nd floor. No! She's at the 2nd floor. She's after you. Go at the 2nd floor. 2nd floor at the stairs. Go to the stairs.
Rose, go to the 3rd.
Go to the stairs.
The gun is right there. The gun is there.
Yes, go.
Yeah. The gun was there.
Was it a win, guys? If
What
it's
the heck?
not a win, it's a M. Comment
You're
there.
an L.
If
You
it's
didn't
a
even
win,
get the gun.
No. Comment W.
Bro, you're an L. You don't have W raised.
Yes, I do. Oh,
Factory.
Sigma. Factory, I roll up. Guys, saw my videos how to roll up. Miku asuri tabur 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 tabur
internet?
tabur tabur. Oh. What's wrong with your It just teleport you to this. What the? What does?
Sigma.
Oh,
Somebody keeps... There's a
I'm
hacker.
innocent.
Somebody just teleported to my place. My internet also is so laggy.
oh, I can walk. Oh, I saw that.
Oh my god, why are you following me? Good. How?
Look.
Roll it.
Oh, I'll get on top. You jump and I'll jump. Come on, you jump. Jump.
Let's use the power of teamwork.
Oh, the power of friendship.
The power of friendship. Go forward. Use shift lock. Unshift lock when you're at the perfect position with your friend. Let's go. Not yet. Shift lock on. Bro, shift lock. Let me go to your angle. Right. Go stand there. Let us go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it was working. 3, 2.
No, wait, let's go to a hard place. A hard, very smooth wall. Right here. Right here.
Why is no one killing us?
On top of this pipe right here. Let's go. Power of friendship on top of this pipe. Let's go to the power of friendship. Really, the power of friendship. Go, we're in the lobby. We're in the lobby. Eman, we're in the lobby. Let's use the power of friendship. Eman, do the power of friendship. Eman! Let's do the power of friendship right here. Go. Let's go.
Good
3,
enough.
2, 1, go.
Good enough.
Again.
Hmm.
We'll use the power of friendship.
Baka no shift lock.
Bro, you're the murderer. Yeah, you're the murderer.
No,
You're the murd.
left him up. Why so many footsteps?
Bro, look at what I said in chat. Alalala.
Ngana, you're cheating.
Okay, I'm never gonna do that again. Where are you?
Mama, Daddy nag-cheat si Kuya.
Let us team that what you want. mo pa sa chat, sabi ko, just joking, he's not. Annoying. To kill somebody. I'm gonna die. Let me do it. Boom.
Aim. You again! Time's up.
Bro, time's up. Peter, just dance in front of the thing that haven't. Repeating the house.
Go. It's go.
Let's go. Wait, he no lie. He lie. No, he no lie. Oh my god. Bro, you're touch again. I said I'm not gonna do that to you.
I know, no. Camper. Come on.
Bro, your aim! Bro, how do I don't hit her? Bro, I literally hit on her! Die!
Bro, what the heck? I'm doing this. I'm doing this.
You're gay. She have a bottle of milk for the baby. Then you're a baby and then you're gay. What the Dance at a random spot and then that's the map. Bro, how you're tiny? You little workplace. Factory.
One more go one. Okay. She let me do it. Meet her.
Right, so annoying.
Where's my girlfriend? Where's the girl? Where is the girl? One guy said, "Oh my."
Bruh! The
is the medyo well.
It's outside.
Oh, is it my girlfriend?
It's the IDK. Yeah, I'm not playing this game. It's not easy.
Who are we, Kay?
Check out the KJ thing. Is it down? Come on, please.
Are you Kay?
Please. KJ. Use the... See at the KJ YouTube. Look at the KJ YouTube.
The live?
Yes, the live. Oh!
Hmm.
Hey, I'm not playing just to impress. I'm not gay. I'm going to the private servers for no reason. It's a private server.
What the? I forgot to stop recording. Guy, you saw nothing when we was at the lobby. Like guys, we saw nothing. Come, like, we saw nothing. We saw nothing. Right. Right. What the hell?
That penalty. That penalty. That penalty. Yes, it is. It's age 13, so you can play.
No.
Come on, look. That penalty. Stop being gay.
That's the one. Bye guys.